send the guy back with one good headlight, bud.
Should have put a timer on too.
Yeah, what is actually tight? It is timing it because it's a video, right?
Good.
So, we're at 26 seconds so far. Maybe 40 because I probably started at like 10 seconds in. And you're even sanding it more than we did.
Beautiful.
I might do more demos because the one where, like I said, it worked well earlier. I was like, oh man.
Yeah, really. Okay, what do you think?
Should
Next
be good.
sandpaper? Oh, this
So-
was the 400, right?
That's the 600.
6?
This was the 4, but I mean,
Okay.
just give her a wipe and then, like I said, because we didn't even use the 400 last time. Right, yeah. And then just spray that stuff on it.
Just nice and even?
Yeah, just. And if you have a UV light, it would go faster, but I mean, you can let it kind of do its thing. But look at that fucking headlight, man. Tell me that's not better.
It really didn't take too much time. Like I could have sanded a lot more.
Right?
Like for the 1 minute that.
Yeah, it's been a
Was
minute
spent on
53.
it?
It's been a minute and 53 seconds. Huh?
Like I think I could have spent a bit more time on it too.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.